What is in your toolbox? We're talking about the 6 things you need in your life toolbox to help you be successful in life. So I got a riddle for you. What is a tool that you need for every job but does not typically go in the toolbox? Wait for it. Wait for it. Do you know it? Do you have it yet? No, that's not it. That was a good guess. No, of course not. All right, fine, I'll give it to you. So I work in the construction field as a basement specialist, and I inspect basements, and every job, I could not get to and from my job. I could not be effective without this one tool. Well, what I consider a tool, some of you out there might not consider it a tool, but I do. It's your boots. Take a look here. See them? They're awesome boots. And the thing about them is they protect me wherever I go. If you look here, you'll see I have steel-toed boots. Not only are they steel-toed, but they are also insulated and waterproof. And the reason for that is I need that for my job. I could not go into my job and feel calm, cool, and collected if I did not have my boots. Peace knowing that I can step on anything and be protected. I don't have to worry about whether it's dirt, gravel, mud, whatever, stones. If I step on a nail, I am protected. How does this relate to my life? My toolbox of life? How does it relate? Well, here you go. It says in Ephesians 6:15, it says to put on the shoes of peace. What do I mean by that? Well, it says in John 14:27, it says, peace I give to you. My peace I leave with you. Not as the world gives, give I unto you. Don't let your heart be troubled. Don't let it be afraid, because my peace I give to you. I know that wherever I step, whatever bad stuff I step into, I know that his peace is with me. God's peace is with me. And he's protecting me every step of the way. Just like I know that when I step on rough terrain, that my boots protect me. When I step on rough terrain in my life, when I face difficult circumstances in life, I've got this peace that passes all understanding, this peace that only God can give. I want to encourage you today that you can have that same peace too. Y'all just need to ask God for it. Just ask him, God, give me some of these boots of peace, that I can walk through life and not be scared. Peace knowing that when I'm going through tough times, I know I'm going to make it through because he has promised that. He's promised that he wants to provide me a hope and a future. So, be confident today. Put on those boots of peace, knowing that God will protect you and give you that peace every step of the way. Y'all have a good day. Love you. See ya. Nuggets! Nuggets of truth!